woke to another sunny day in North Wales, and after making breakfast, we decided to go exploring around Snowdon. This day would include the mountain railway and would end with an epic sunset on the mountain. We drove to Pertichor and walked the path that follows the river. At the railway bridge, we stopped so Mulberry could take a dip and cool off in the water. High on the list of things for me to do in Wales was to visit Llanberis and the Snowdon Mountain Railway. The locomotives there have been carrying passengers to the summit of Snowdon since 1896. This was a kind of pilgrimage for me. My grandfather worked on the railway, something he was very proud of, and being there brought back fond memories of my childhood and spending time with him. No dogs were allowed on the train, so we had to settle for watching as the locomotives chugged on by. But it felt great to remember my granddad in this way. Just over a mile to the west of Pertichor lies Swallow Falls. A £2 entry fee at the top, and then there's a steep climb down some stone steps to the platforms that give you a great view of the falls. And they're stunning. That evening we drove to the Penny Pass to catch the sunset on Snowdon. We found a lay-by to watch as the sun dipped below the mountains. The views are spectacular, and being there at this golden hour, in this wonderful place, made it all the more special. And it's something that I will never forget. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel where you can watch other videos that I've made. In the next video, we'll be visiting the Isle of Anglesey. So until then, take care and thanks for watching.